Kupar Yangrai, the Assistant Inspector General of Police, Meghalaya. I would like to focus on a particular area that is COVID management, COVID-19 management uh, in this pandemic season. As you're all aware that we are grappling a challenge which is beyond the normal policing that we've been beyond from the law and order issues. This has become a new challenge not in the in the global phenomena, where the challenges that we have to accept the new normal, and how do we go about to really bring a change to this new upcoming challenge, whereby police being one of the frontline important frontliners have to take the stand how to bring people understand the challenges, the global phenomenon because of this pandemic, and uh, how to make them accept to live with this new normal, and how are we going to deal with it, especially since police is a big force, we involve a lot of people whom we have to contact with. I am going to focus on how we deal in the internal mode of dealing, of minimizing the contacts. Like suppose, what are the steps we have taken to, to ensure, how do we educate our people? Our people mean the men, because first we have charity, as the saying goes, charity begins at home. We have to teach our men first so that they go to the field and teach the public, because police hold a very responsible position in the society. There is We have to take the forefront of the role of a health worker, where we have to arrange the cover, face mask, face shield, etc. And by doing this, we start with our own men, where at the very initial stage, when the pandemic hit us, we are ill-equipped ill-equipped with the basic infrastructure to which we need to have. So what we do is, we have our people around, where we make we come together, we stitch cloth masks, and then we make a uh, homemade face shield and all, to supply to the men on the field so that they can fight the pandemic. And then another role is, how do we ensure compliance of COVID protocol? We have been going outreach to the field by way of advertisement, slogan, that we send our teams, where they make arrangements to the public about how to go uh, about with the protocol, COVID-19 protocols. Then apart from that, we have been taking special care to our officials, where in a Thana level, what we have done is we have minimized the contact with the people by creating special cells outside the Thana, where it becomes a help desk for the people to come in contact with the police. And then the and the way how we are deploying our we deploy the deployment of police. We've been staggering our deployments, because we have to take into all consideration the limited human force that we have in case if we are badly hit by the pandemic. So what is do in our way of deployment, we stagger the officials duty of the police, right from the constabulary level till the topmost level. And then when it comes to meeting, we shift on to a new mode, that is the virtual meetings, where now with the communication being closer to our door, we use through our meeting through virtual mode. And then one very we have already formed a health and hygiene committee in all the districts and units to which the police are deployed. The role of these health committees have become very important, where because they are monitoring on a day-to-day basis how our men are functioning in the field, what are the problems they're facing with regards to COVID management, and first and foremost is about the welfare of the health of each and every individual police. This is the main focus to which we have been doing. Then with limited resources, we have been able to make a lot of pamphlets for own men, then pamphlets, then banners, and a lot of medium to which we are educating. We are educating through them also to the online mode, where in batches we're training what are the do's and don'ts on how to deal with uh, the COVID situation. Another Another is how do we ensure compliance of COVID-19 protocols, whereby we teach them about the importance of high hygiene, sanitizing, wearing masks, avoid crowds, avoid physical contact, avoid spitting. So these are the kind of roles that we have been evolving from time to time, and it's not a static one. We are improving day by day according to the various health protocols being issued by the government from time to time. And with regards to taking care, then we come on to the very important aspect, that is we are fighting an infodemic. That is, as you're aware, in social media world now, a lot of information and disinformation are being spread. Like to quote Dr. Theodorus Adhanom, who says we are not just fighting an epidemic, we are fighting an infodemic. And this has become one of the mission of the department, where we have to fight with fake news. And with regard to this fake news, we have developed mm, we have developed Meghalaya Police create COVID-19 fake news verification portal. It's an online portal, as you can see in the screen, where we verify facts, and after verifying facts from the reliable sources, government official, government department, etc., then we issue press release through the print, the electronic media, and the portal media. And we also, as on date, we have been able to deal around 67 cases, whereby we have been able to dispel the rumors that has been going in the social platform, and we have registered cases, and and we and by this, what has happened is that the misinformation that is being spread in the social platform, which create a sense of panic among the citizens, have been dispelled to a certain extent. And this is still an ongoing process, which we are still on. And this, with this portal, we have been very effective in curbing fake news, and the rumors have been spreading around. And then we are also we have become a deterrent to the netizen from falling prey to cyber criminals. We are being able to get the authentic information, and then these are being circulated to the public, and thus that fear of there's certain elements in the social platform who are trying to disturb the harmony. And through this portal, we've been able to bring a very good response, whereby a lot of complaints come to us, where we verify. And then I think this platform which we have made can be replicated by others also. And since this is just the beginning, we also endeavor for a future where we want to, through the various medium, to spread awareness about the COVID-19, then to increase awareness regarding vaccination, to alert the public regarding modus operandi of cyber criminals, to counter information, misinformation, disinformation, to deter miscreants from circulating fake news, to assist netizens during the pandemic. This much I have to share with the team. Thank you very much.
Thank you. You have done some very good work. Your presentation was very good. The only point which I have is, of all the initiatives you have taken, what have been the outcomes and results? Have you measured them anywhere, anyhow?
One is, let us go to the welfare aspect. Meghalaya police, which has a police population of almost 14,000. My concern is specific COVID-19. So we have been able to really put a threshold on the spread of this pandemic, especially with to the police force, where we have a very minimal person being infected by the virus, and another is the vaccination. The vaccination of the police force also has been more than almost 90%, and we've been able to look into the welfare. And till now, the fatality rate is very less, because we have put in a lot of mechanism in place. And we've been one is especially with the fake news portal. This has created a sense of deterrent to many of us.
That's okay.
Sir.
Sharma ji, anything?
Very good presentation, sir. Thank you very much. And I hope with these measures, your police force will not to get so much infected due to COVID. Very good. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.